Looking for the perfect savory pastry for your brunch? We have compiled the top 5 recipes that will make your mealtime a delight. With a tantalizing countdown on the horizon, your taste buds are in for a treat. Stay tuned as we dive into a world of savory goodness, starting from number 5. Coming in at number 5, we have cheese and onion pastries, a classic combo that never disappoints. Picture flaky puff pastry filled with creamy cheese and sweet caramelized onions. The taste is a delightful blend of savory and sweet. These pastries are a delicious way to kickstart your brunch. At number 4, we present Spinach and Feta Puff Pastry, a Mediterranean delight that's sure to impress. Imagine puff pastry filled with luscious spinach and crumbled feta, a unique blend of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. A healthy yet scrumptious option for your brunch. Sausage rolls take the third spot, a hearty treat that's both filling and satisfying. Picture this: flaky puff pastry swaddling a savory sausage, creating an explosion of rich flavors with every bite. It's the epitome of comfort food. These rolls are a guaranteed crowd pleaser. Second on our list are the ever-popular ham and cheese croissants. Imagine biting into a flaky croissant, revealing a filling of smoky ham and melted cheese. It's a delectable fusion of flavors that appeals to most palates. A classic choice that never goes out of style. And the top spot goes to the irresistible bacon and egg pie. This savory delight, brimming with crispy bacon and soft-cooked eggs, offers an unbeatable fusion of flavors. It's a symphony of taste, texture, and aroma. A brunch favorite that's worth every bite. There you have it, the top 5 savory pastry recipes for your brunch delights. We've talked about cheese and onion pastries, spinach and feta puff pastry, sausage rolls, ham and cheese croissants, and bacon and egg pie. Go ahead and try these recipes for a brunch that's sure to impress. Until next time, happy cooking!